Like I'm literally, without taking you into here's an entry price, here's your stop loss. I've done those things where I've managed and told you where my stop loss throughout the entire of the trade. I've done that to prove that the things I'm doing when I'm recording my executions. See, the people that say, oh, these pre-recorded executions because you didn't do it live. It's a live fucking account. What the fuck you mean it's not live? You want me to put you in a trade where you can copy it, you broke fuck. That's what you want. I'm not going to do that for you. So you can go and record yourself doing it and go online and say, look at me, I'm smart, buy my bullshit. No. You got to earn that shit. You have to earn that. Look what I've done by producing all this content. How many people are doing mentorships with it? How many people are selling my shit? Lots of them. And what do you think would happen if I started calling entries, stops, and targets with the consistency that I've been doing with just the things I've shared publicly? You'd have all these people coming forward with real evidence of a track record that matches what? Mine. And you wonder why I'm not going to give you that? I'm not making these fucking frauds look smart when they're not. These lazy little bitches that don't want to do the work to learn how to do it. I have students that work their ass off, and the results they're getting right now, I'm so fucking proud of. They earned that shit. They fucking earned it. Nobody can discount that. Not one person can come forward and say, you know what? Those results are bullshit. Fuck you. You're broke. You're going to work. You're trying to squeeze every drop of your weekend out because you are loathing Monday. Because you got to go back to work. The fucking Jiffy Lube. Changing fucking oil with PD over there in the fucking corner, picking his fucking nose, looking at fucking porn. It's astonishing the level of fucking denial. Denial. Like you literally can't see this. All these people coming forward, crediting their newfound success by the work ethic that they place behind the things I've taught. That is fucking amazing. It's awesome that you had the tenacity to stick with it. All these people that talk shit, they were phased out, muted. They're noise. That's what the enemy does. The enemy comes in to try to distort, disrupt, all those things, so that way you're distracted and you don't find your success. No, don't pay attention to him. There's no algorithm. The fuck, there ain't no algorithm. How could here? Everybody says it's two computers. It's both directions. Okay. Listen. Let's do this. I challenge any of you fucking dumb fucks to try to do both direction strategy and trade using what I taught. Record yourself from beginning to end. Do it for I don't know, a month. That's probably asking too much. Let's do it for a week, but you got to do it every single day, Monday through Friday. And you come forward with a fucking trade that wins, doing exactly what I do. And you can have the benefit of doing both sides. Do it. You can't even place a stop loss correctly, you stupid fucks. And you're going to tell me, oh, this is what I'm doing? Get the fuck out of here, you fucking asshole. These people are fucking stupid. And it's even worse when other people come behind and they're like, oh, this person took the time to write this, so it must be true. Mouth breathers. These fucking smooth brains. They have no idea what the fuck's going on. They've been subjected to social media, and now that forms their opinions. And they want to learn how to trade and trade against the highest form of intelligence in this fucking industry. Me? Come on, get the fuck out of here. You're never going to amount to shit as a trader if you take other people's opinion and never investigate it on your own. Do the research. And that's why I challenge everybody. Everyone. Don't take my word for any of it. Go into the market and see if this shit's really there. Because you're going to know right away if it's really there or if it's bullshit. And guess what? Guess what? Lots of trolls got converted. Nobody's been able to come out forward and say, this is what ICT rebranded and this is what it is. Because everything I talk about is attacking retail logic. How the fuck can you subscribe to this is rebranded bullshit when I'm telling you this defeats that way of thinking and that usage of fake shit in charts? Laziness. Smooth brain mentalities. When you go into social media and you let other people give you your opinion. That's stupidity. That's dumb. You will never make it in this industry having that way of life. If you live your life like that, where other people can frame your opinion. Did you put yourself in front of the charts? Did you study? Did you look at the things I said, this is where it's going to go to next? Did you watch the analysis that I shared on YouTube telling you where the market was going to go on the weekly and the daily charts for these indices? And we're here. Hundreds of points. Not 5. What did I delete on YouTube? Nothing. What tweets did I delete? Nothing. What did I get wrong? Crickets. Crickets. And all this time, you have wasted. You've wasted it. Instead of just doing the work of sitting down and saying, you know what? I'm going to take this guy's challenge, and worst case scenario, I'm going to discover that everything he said is not real, and I saved myself a lot of worrisome things of just listening to him. I can delete his Twitter. I ain't got to listen to his bullshit no more. And then you'll have evidence supporting your decision about why you don't believe there's an algorithm, why you don't think ICT concepts and smart money concepts are a thing. Because you did the work. You didn't take somebody else's opinion, some horse shit fucking documentary. It's all bullshit, man. That's bullshit. Shoot holes through the things I'm actually doing. Shoot holes through that. It's fucking bulletproof. It's fucking bulletproof. It's so high in SPF, even a nuclear fucking bomb can't even give it a suntan. So fuck off. That was actually pretty good. I don't know where that came from. Shit, I gotta write that fucking down. That's some good shit. But anyway, today's Twitter space was really to encourage everyone else. It probably doesn't sound like encouragement. It sounds like something entirely different. But it was to encourage all of you that are contemplating or are going to join in the Routing Cup next year. I want you to take your time, okay? Take your time and try to make it about trading excellent. Managing risk, not over trading, not over leveraging, and showing a realistic, sound return. Do that. In that setting, in that climate, if you don't close in the upper 5%, okay, and there's 5 spots, is that a failure? To me, no. But ICT, how can it not be a failure? They didn't win. Because I look at that as a litmus test. I've always stated this. I have the greatest respect for every person that's ever joined that competition. Because it's hard. What makes it hard? You're being measured in the public eye. You're going to be measured in the public eye. And everything you do, if you place up there, is under scrutiny. Now you're under the microscope. What are they going to do next? Are they going to have an increase or a decrease? Are they going to be too scared to do anything? And if the market moved big and they don't have any movement in their percentage, why didn't they? All of that's going to be an internal dialogue that you're going to have while you're looking at your trades. And that complicates everything. So if you're Billy Badass, Billy Bullocks, that want to sit up here on social media and you're the greatest and nobody can touch you and you're this and you're that and ICT won't ever be able to do this and I can do this faster than ICT and I can do this better than smart money concepts and this thing ain't real and there's no algorithm. Okay. Go out there and do what we're about to do. I don't need to do that. I ain't got time for that. But you got 2 years to make fucking videos about bullshit. It's pathetic. But I think that anyone that joins it but doesn't make it to the number 5 spot or higher, if they share their end result and show you their broker statements, go into their accounts and log in, and they make that public, and they do it with a live stream on YouTube, not something pre-recorded, live stream it. That way it's really happening right in front of us. We see it. I think that that person deserves respect. I think that that person has proven their worth as an educator if that's what they're doing. They don't need to win it, folks. In my opinion, you don't need to win it. because it's not going to happen. Even if they don't place in the top 5, it doesn't mean they failed. The fact that they're willing to put their skill set on display, be among the titans that are willing to go out there and risk every bit of fucking clout, every opinion of everybody that holds these individuals, and me included. Everybody's on a pedestal right now, but who really knows their shit? Who can really walk that talk? Who can really put down numbers? Patty. The leaderboard that matters is the Robbins Cup. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. And if you know how to trade, the world stage has always been the Robbins Cup. And that's why every person I've ever mentioned it to, they act like they've never known anything about, oh, you didn't know what that fucking thing is. If you've been a trader for any length of time, you know exactly what that is. Because you know who Larry Williams is, and you know that he's owned that shit lock, stock, and barrel since 1987. So don't pretend like you don't know what the fuck that is. Because now ignorance is no longer an excuse. And people that know how to trade, people that know how to handle themselves and a model that has mastered themselves, they have no problem doing this. If you have a profitable venue and you're making money selling a service or a community or whatnot, your outcome in this isn't going to affect anything. Because if you're doing something that people find value in and you're consistently profitable in helping these individuals make money, what do you have to lose? Really, what do you have to lose? You have nothing. You have no excuse not to do this. Except for, you know, you're not going to do well and you're afraid somebody's going to be able to troll you. I'm not going to troll you. The only person I'm going to talk shit about is Vinny E. Mini after the close of next year, because he ain't beating me. He ain't even going to post in the upper 5. That's the only motherfucker I have shit to talk about. Because I sat out here for 2 years and that little bitch has me on block still from day one. But he wants to reply to everything I post. If he said I'm blocked, how the fuck's he replying to my fucking posts? He's a liar, true and through. He has lied from the beginning. Just like his father. And I'm here for it. Build an altar, Vinny. 2024 is Mount Carmel. We're going to see who brings down the fire.